let me show you how we can enter and exit the Fastboot mode on the POCO C85. So the first thing that you need to do in order to go to the Fastboot mode is you need to turn off the phone. In order to do so, you can just use the power button and volume up button at the same time to open the power menu. Then we're gonna slide up over here to power off. Usually you have to wait like a couple of seconds to let the phone completely shut down to proceed. After that, you want to press and hold the power button and volume down button, but once you feel the vibration, you want to release the power button and hold only volume down. So then it looks like this. We're gonna press and hold power and volume down, and just keep holding. And then once you feel the vibration, or once you see the POCO logo, you want to hold volume down, and after a couple of seconds you should see the Fastboot text. And this is how the Fastboot mode looks like on POCO C85. Now if you want to exit the Fastboot mode, you just have to press and hold the power button until the Fastboot text disappears from the screen. Usually it takes like 7 seconds or so. And there we go. Then the phone will turn itself back on and go back to the normal mode. Subscribe to my channel.